It's mine. Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Off fire you desire, my rock can maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now, this was supposed to be a mall vlog pickup, but my ass, I got over to the mall, I had the intro, all of that, telling y'all what I'm about to go do, right? As YouTubers do. I get to the mall and it's packed. Like, I ain't even go into the mall yet. I pull into the parking lot. Every single area around the mall is packed. And I'm like, I'm not taking my camera in there. You know, it's a whole pandemic going on. I'm trying to get in and out, not do a whole bunch of recording, not trying to be in there alone. And I was trying to think to myself, like, why is there so many people out right now? Damn stimulus checks hit. Everybody got their stimmy. So it's just like tax time. I try my best. It's always, you know, sneaker releases too, so I'm in the mall for that. I hate going out during tax return time. It's way too many people, and it's usually a bunch of people that ain't usually in the mall like that. So anyway, let's get into the video. If you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement. Subscribe to the channel, man. I really appreciate y'all joining me on this race to 8,000 subscribers by the end of 21. I'm gonna keep saying it because that's the goal, and I'm trying to speak it into existence, and you know, that's what I'm gonna do. So we're almost at 4K. That's the first step. That's the first goal of the year, and then it's 8K from there on out. I ain't speaking about 5K, 6K. It's 4K, and then it's 8. That's what we're on the race to. So anyway, I'm gonna jump into this video. You can see from the thumbnail that I was able to hit on 3 pair of the Jordan 1 High OG, what are they called? Volt Gold, right? So I'm just gonna get straight into it. I ain't gonna do no editing and breaks and all that. Just gonna put it right on camera. This is where we at, this is what we doing. Y'all see what it is. I haven't watched a single review. I'm gonna do my best to not watch any. I love y'all know I'll be in the comment section. I watch y'all's videos, my other content creators. I watch y'all's videos all the time. But when it's something I'm picking up this year, I'm gonna try not to watch any reviews until if it's something that I'm getting myself. So I can give my own, it doesn't cloud my judgment or my thoughts, or I start regurgitating what other people have said already. But anyway, I'm gonna go over the sneaker a little bit. I said in my how to cop video on these that I'm trying not to leave any Jordan 1s that I hit on in the store this year. If I can hit on it, I'm going for it, whether I like it, love it, I'm on the fence about it. I said I was on the fence about these because I had to get them in hand. And now that I have them in hand, I don't hate them. I definitely don't love them. And it's just, obviously, it's just this. It's the green. Let me see if I can get that to focus for y'all. But anyway, it's this highlighter green Volt, and then this, like, I don't know, like orangish type yellow. If this was the same, if either one of these were matching, it would be cool. But this Volt definitely throws the sneaker off, in my opinion. I like everything else about it. I was a little nervous about this leather here as well. I thought that it scared me. I thought it might be like the Pine Green 2.0s, and I do not like the matte black on those. That's why I passed on those. But it's not as dull and ashy as those are. I do like the sail midsole. I usually don't like the sail and white contrast between each other on sneakers, but it doesn't look bad on these. The tongue is an even darker sail. I don't know if you'll be able to really pick that up with the lighting. It might kind of wash it out a little bit, but this is a little bit darker sail. And then you have your Nike tag, and it's like rubberized tag that's flipped in reverse. Got the Nike Air on the back, and then all the disclaimer information on the front. But I do like that it comes with sail laces already inside the sneaker, because those are a hot commodity, especially in Jordan when they started implementing the sail colors into the releases. It's nice to have a sail lace, and you don't want to have to purchase a bunch of laces, so you can just swap these out and, you know, put them in something else or whatever. Because what really, you know, what makes these pop the best, I'll put the pictures up, is Jay the Sneaker Guy did, y'all, everybody know who Jay the Sneaker Guy is, or most of you guys do, swapped out for matching exactly Volt laces and an orange lace. I don't even know where he found laces to match this, but, you know, he gets socks, laces, and everything to match his sneakers. And those pop better than the white or the sail or the black laces, in my opinion. So that's what I would do if I ever put these to foot. I'll put Volt laces in. I had already ordered some like a week and a half ago, and they still haven't got here yet. I thought they would get here before release day, and then I was going to do it on foot. But anyway, I was able to hit on these at JD Sports. I also said in my How to Cop video that I would be picking these up locally if I hit. I didn't even go for sneakers. I don't know how fast they sold out, but I didn't go that route. I said that I was going through JD Sport raffle, and I was going to do Flex. So the Flex program, which is obviously your Foot Locker, Champs, and Foot Action, not many people got through. So a lot of people, there was a few people that got through and was able to secure their pairs. But what you guys need to understand as well, with the FLX, they finesse you. They finesse us out of our points. Because even if a store is getting the sneaker, they'll put them up, the store will put them up on the FLX. But if their shipment ends up being delayed, they don't refund you your points. They still run them numbers. They still run them points, and you just get to not select it. And then they get the shipment 2-3 days later, and you have to go get them first come, first serve. So that's very unfair. Now, if a store is supposed to get sneakers and then they don't get them or something like that, or they're no longer getting them, you'll get those refunds before release day. I usually get that at Foot Action here, where they refund my 1,500 points all the time. But so I feel bad. Like I got the same thing. My stores got delayed shipments on adult sizes, so it was automatic L, but they still took my points, so it was a lose-lose. But I also was able to get, I got 2 size 10.5s and a size 6, all from JD Sports. Leather quality is pretty good for those that are into that stuff. Hopefully this doesn't wash out. I'll try to get it to focus. Neither adult or grade school, this is more of your smooth, traditional leather. It's not pebbled and tumbled and all that other stuff. That's not what you're getting on these. This is not going to be anybody's sneaker of the year. This is not this sneaker in any way. They don't relate. They don't match up. So this has premium materials on it. These do not. These do not have premium materials, and the Volt obviously throws it off. So a lot of people said if you have these, then there's no reason to get these. I don't find that to be true. I think that they stand alone on their own. If you know how to dress, you can finesse an outfit out of these, obviously, but I'll give this probably like a 7 out of 10. It's not going to be in my top 10, but like I said, I'm trying not to leave any Jordan 1s in the store this year. If I hit, I'm going to pick it up. You know what I'm saying? I'll use it as trade bait down the road, or I'll sell it or something like that, or maybe it'll grow on me. That's not usually my style though. If I like something, then I'll keep it. And I usually don't like, oh well, now I kind of like it. No, if I gotta kind of like it, then I'm giving it to the community. It's gonna be for somebody else. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching another one of my videos. Y'all rate this sneaker down below, man. I know a lot of people love them and a lot of people hate them. I think it's just the vote. If it was both yellow or orange or whatever color that is, these would be a problem. And I don't think they sold out because there's dumb limited or limited GR. I think a lot of people just didn't get their shipment, and it gave a lot of people L's on the FLX. But that's just my opinion. I have no idea. I'm not like these other YouTubers that like to throw out stock numbers. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. I'm gonna get out of here. OV!